Hello, my name is Tuệ Minh. I'm 5 years old. I class room with a tree. Today I will show you how to make a puppet. Here's a pencil. Here's a stick. Here is the scissors. More. I will show you example. Here is a paper. Here is on my puppet. And here is a mouth. Here is a teeth. Here is an ear. Here is eyes. And here is a foot and a feet. And here, I don't know. Here is we can ring it. Or a stick in here. We can ring it more. And thank you for listening. Bye bye.